Around the time of Christ's birth, Hillel the Elder explained, "What is hateful to you, do not do to your fellow." This is the whole Torah. The rest is the explanation. Go and learn. Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Although this form of the Golden Rule comes from the Jewish tradition, every culture has something similar, going back a further 2,000 years in ancient Egypt and followed by ancient India, Greece, Persia, and Rome. You'd have to think then that it represents a universal truth of human longing and that it provides a bedrock foundation for all virtue. We in Australia have our own sense of this idea of justice by invoking the idea of the fair go. It goes with a similar idea of being fair dinkum. There can be no justice if any individual is precluded from making their contribution through arrangements or in situations that are not fair. And matters are hardly likely to be fair if people are not being fair dinkum with each other. An authentic presence of the self is a prerequisite to being ultimately fair to others. We know from our earliest days as children and by observing our own and other children that the impulse for fairness is one of the strongest. We hate the cheat who gains advantage through foul means. An overwhelming majority of people support the idea of equal opportunity for all. Justice demands that we stand up to bullies and support the disadvantaged. I believe that justice in the workplace means that people who work there have the right to be well managed. It's only fair. My course for systems thinkers explores how the idea of justice within the organizational setting can leverage your team's sense of belonging and contribute significantly to delivering consistently high performance results over the long haul. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.